10 to 15 miles an hour. Areas of light fog reducing visibilities to 1 to 3 miles at times is developing across the Upper Rio Grande Valley and in the northern and western Ranchlands. Visibilities may briefly lower to 1/4 mile or less in locally dense fog. Early morning commuters should be aware of locally dense fog with visibility changing rapidly over short distances. Use low beam headlights and leave extra distance between your vehicle and others on the road. The Laredo climate summary for yesterday. Cotulla, mostly sunny. 71 degrees. Del Rio, mostly sunny. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Here are the 11 a.m. South Texas weather observations. At Laredo,